Are you looking for the best PS3 controllers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best PS3 controllers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Tonsum PS3 Controller. Allowing you to have maximum comfort, this one is available in an ergonomic design. The PS3 controller comes in a unique color design which gives it a cool look. Moreover, this can be perfect for every gamer and lets you have an amazing feeling. This comes in a wireless design and it features double vibration. Furthermore, it comes with 6-axis support and you can choose from different color combinations. Additionally, it lets you have easy control so that there will be maximum accuracy. The 360-degree rotating joystick will make sure there will be better precision. You will also find a dual vibration motor so that there will be exceptional performance. At number 4, Tonsum Wireless PS3 Controller. With 2 different colors to choose from, this one comes with high compatibility. The PS3 controller has a double shock response system so that you can feel every crash, hit, and explosion. Additionally, it lets you power it with the help of a rechargeable battery. This also supports a 6-axis system and you can have better flexibility. Furthermore, the wireless technology makes sure there will be better comfort. Moreover, it is available in a complete set and can be a perfect gift for anyone. This serves as a perfect item for every gamer and is from a popular brand. At number 3, CFORWARD PS3 Controller. Here is a PS3 controller that comes in a fashion graffiti design. It has an attractive look and can be perfect to have better comfort. Additionally, it is available in a wireless design and comes with Bluetooth functionality. Furthermore, this lets you have easy connectivity and it is easy to use. In this, you will find 2 electronic motors so that there will be exceptional performance. Moreover, this will let you have an exciting feeling and it comes in a complete set. You will also find a USB cable for having quick charging. This will not disappoint you when it comes to performance and makes sure there will be better precision. At number 2, Colo PC Controllers for PS3 Playstation. Available in a pack of 2. Here is a PS3 controller that allows you to choose from different color combinations. With this, you can have maximum comfort with the ergonomic design. Additionally, it allows you to power it with the help of a rechargeable battery and is available in a complete set. This also comes with pressure sensors that let you feel the different impacts. The highly sensitive motion control system lets you sense the characters. Furthermore, the product has wide compatibility and it comes in a durable design. Moreover, you don't have to worry about low battery and it supports a 6-axis system. At number 1, CHENGDAO Wireless Controller. To make sure there will be perfect controls, this one is available in a 3-groove design. The PS3 controller has a high sensibility thumb grip so that there will be maximum accuracy. Moreover, it has 6-axis motion sensing control that lets you have an immersive gaming experience. You will also find built-in shock motors. Furthermore, the large capacity battery will make sure there will the continents play for up to 8 hours. The product comes with wireless transmission technology that lets you have maximum flexibility. With this, you don't have to worry about signal interference or data loss. Additionally, this is a high-quality product and offers you many options. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.